In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your B900 display panel. So at the moment we have some buttons programmed to this. And if I want to do a factory reset, I will use the remote. You press enter on the remote to switch it on. You press the function button on the remote. And the first one you change to a 9 by pressing 9 on your remote. When the second one comes up, you change that to a 5 by pressing 5 on the remote. Once your display panel shows Fun 9-5, you press enter on your remote. It will tell you reset factory settings. You will press the setting key on your remote. It will tell you clearance successful. You can now press the function button to exit back to your home screen. And remember, even your remote is now not going to be programmed anymore. So let's show you the buttons, which is also not working anymore. That is how you do a factory reset on your B900 display panel. Thank you very much for watching.